Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are guys doing well. So today I am here with a brand new project that is a new token. If you remember in my last video, we have discussed PuppyDex.com, and today I'm going to show you how to buy PuppyDex on Pancakeswap step-by-step guide. So if you have missed my last video, I request you to please check that video to be able to understand the project, because today I am going to show you how to buy PuppyDex on Pancakeswap. But first, here we have some more details. You can check the official contract address. Then we have their deck screener chart to know more information about the project. As we have already discussed, PuppyDex is a track trading token, scan projects and trade smarted on BSC. Here we have some more option to know details about the PuppyDex is transparently developed using AI, no hidden team, just real VN. And then we have some more information about the project. No taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion, and no burn on registration fees. PuppyDex is a community-driven meme-inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transaction fees and a fixed supply, PuppyDex offers a seamless trading and a strong emphasis on community involvement, aiming to build a lasting decentralized ecosystem. And then we have mission and vision. PuppyDex aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in a fun, community-driven ecosystem. Their mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial reward without transactional barriers or centralized. Then the vision is to establish PuppyDex as the leading meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities, thereby adding lasting value to the cryptocurrency space. And then we have some more information about their journey. And now let's come how to buy PuppyDex on Pancakeswap step by step. Here we have how to buy PuppyDex on Pancakeswap. First of all, to buy the token early can offer unique opportunities, especially when a project is just launching. PuppyDex is now live on BNB chain and tradable via Pancakeswap. So here we have some more option to know that what is this basically. So first of all, you have to set up a wallet. You can use MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then you are going to get a 12-word key that you have to securely save. If in future, if you lost access to your wallet, you'll be able to recover your wallet. So you can safely set the 12-word key. And then you have to add BNB to swap the token for gas fees. You have to get BNB. You can get BNB through Binance, and you are going to get BNB through Coinbase, etc. from any exchange. And then you have to go to Pancakeswap. You can connect your wallet on Pancakeswap. So here we have Pancakeswap. You have to simply connect your wallet on Pancakeswap to buy the token, and make sure you have enough balance of BNB to buy the token for a gas fee. And then on Pancakeswap, you have to simply connect your wallet. You can connect MetaMask or Trust wallet. It's up to you. And then the next step, you can paste the contract address of PuppyDex token and simply swap here. And here we have a contract address on website. So you can simply copy the contract address from website. Here we have the contract address which is mentioned here. And then you can simply paste it here. And in the last step, you have to confirm and approve the transaction. So in this way, you can simply buy the token. In the 5th step, you are going to buy the token. So here we have a deck screener. You can check the price in USDT, which is mentioned here, then price in BNB. You can see some more trading details here. Everything is mentioned here. So all you have to do is to check the details from here. So in this step, you are going to buy the token easily. We also have white paper of the PuppyDex.com. You can check the white paper here. You can simply download the white paper and know more information about the project. Here we have all the required details. You can check out the details to know more information about the project. Okay guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. In the 5 simple steps, you're going to buy the token through Pancakeswap. First of all, you have to connect your wallet on Pancakeswap by installing MetaMask or Trust wallet. Then you have to top up BNB and then simply confirm and approve the transaction after adding the contract address. Thank you so much for watching. Go and buy now.